Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and switch between multiple profiles in Firefox. First, just open Firefox and then just search for this about profiles. Like this, you can just type this sentence and then next just enter, and then in here you can see the profiles in your Firefox. And then if you want to create ones, just tap on create new profiles, and then just tap on next, and then in here just give your profile's name, for example like this, and then next just tap on finish, and your new profiles will be created automatically like this. Now whenever you want to use that profile, just open your about profiles again like this, and then just tap on launch profile in your browser like this, and just like that you will open your new profiles like this. And then in here at this page, at the about profiles page, you can also manage all your Firefox profiles. For example, you can choose which profile should be the default like this. Just set the default on here, set as a default profiles, and then you can also create additional profiles on here, or even you can remove profiles you no longer need. Just tap on remove this one. And okay, that's it. This is a simple way to keep different Firefox profiles separate for work or maybe for personal use or anything else. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.